The daily code snippet. What if you wanted to target a specific side of an element when specifying a border? In this case, you can use border top, border right, border bottom, and border left. Similar to the border shorthand that we used when targeting all four sides of an element, the shorthand applies when you are targeting just one side. Border bottom, border width, border style, border color. Border bottom, medium dashed red. This example states that the bottom border of an element should be medium width, dashed style, and red in color. Finally, you can also just target the border width, border style, or border color of a particular side of an element. In this case, you would write border top width, 10 pixels, border right width, 10 pixels, border bottom width, 10 pixels, border left width, 10 pixels. Similarly, border top style dotted, border right style dotted, border bottom style dotted, border left style dotted. And finally, border top color blue, border right color blue, border bottom color blue, and border left color blue. Presented by Designers Learn Code.